Hello and welcome. So, let's get straight into the most profound tool you have at your disposal, your subconscious mind. Tonight, we're going to focus on using the power of your thoughts to transform your reality while you sleep. It might sound simple, but this process can lead to powerful changes in your life. The idea is to reprogram your mind by consciously engaging with your thoughts before you sleep, allowing your mind to absorb new beliefs, patterns, and ideas that serve you. You might not realize it, but the moments just before you drift off to sleep are when your subconscious mind is most open. Your conscious mind, which filters and analyzes information, begins to quiet down, and your subconscious takes over. This is the perfect opportunity to plant the seeds for a new reality. So, as you lie there, ready to drift off to sleep, take a moment to reflect on the life you want to create. Think about the person you wish to become, the goals you desire to achieve, and the feelings you want to experience. The key here is to feel these emotions as if they are already happening. Imagine yourself in the life you've always dreamed of. How would it feel to already be living that reality? The emotions you generate from this vision are what will help you create lasting change. It's easy to get caught up in the belief that our current circumstances are fixed. But the truth is, everything around you, your job, relationships, health, and finances, are all the result of your past thoughts and actions. However, you have the power to change this at any moment. Your thoughts today will shape your tomorrow. Tonight, instead of focusing on what's wrong or what's lacking, focus on what you want to create. Fill your mind with images of your desired reality. Feel the excitement, joy, and satisfaction as if it has already happened. The more you can emotionally engage with this vision, the more your subconscious will begin to believe that this is your new truth. The key to creating your new reality is consistent practice. Every night, before you fall asleep, take some time to visualize your future self. See yourself as already having achieved your goals. Hear the words of praise from others. Feel the success in your body. Let those feelings sink in as you drift off to sleep. Your brain doesn't know the difference between what's real and what's vividly imagined. When you practice this kind of visualization, your brain starts to rewire itself, forming new neural connections that align with the reality you are choosing to create. It's like giving your brain a new operating system that works in favor of your goals. Now, you might wonder how long this takes. The process of rewiring your brain doesn't happen overnight. But when you are consistent, you begin to notice small shifts in your life. Perhaps an opportunity arises that you hadn't expected, or you start seeing things differently, making decisions that lead you closer to your goals. These subtle changes are the first signs that your new reality is beginning to take shape. You are not a victim of your circumstances. You are the creator of your reality. Every thought, feeling, and action you take is shaping the future you will experience. And by consciously directing your thoughts before sleep, you are taking charge of that process. Here's a simple but powerful exercise to help you make this a nightly practice. As you lie in bed, start by relaxing your body and letting go of any tension. Take a few deep breaths, allowing yourself to release the stress of the day. Then, begin to imagine your ideal life. See yourself in the situation you desire, living the life you've always dreamed of. The more vividly you can see it, the better. Feel the emotions that come with this vision. If it's wealth, feel the security and freedom that comes with financial abundance. If it's healthy, feel the energy and vitality of your body. If it's love, feel the warmth and connection with others. The more you feel these emotions, the more your subconscious mind will believe this is your new reality. You don't need to worry about how it will happen. That's not your job. Your job is to focus on what you want and to feel it as if it's already true. The universe will take care of the how. As you drift off to sleep, keep that image in your mind, holding on to the emotions of your new reality. Trust that your mind is now working on your behalf, reprogramming itself to align with your desires. What you may not realize is that while you're asleep, your subconscious mind is still working. It's constantly processing and absorbing information, and the thoughts and images you provide before sleep are deeply ingrained in this process. Your subconscious works in the background, helping to create the changes you want, often in ways you can't even consciously control. And while this practice may take time, stay consistent with it. The more you make it a habit to focus on your desired reality before sleep, the more you will begin to see changes in your life. You will start waking up feeling differently, acting differently, and seeing different opportunities. This is how your new reality begins to take shape. Over time, your beliefs about what is possible will shift. You will begin to think and act in ways that align with your new reality. Doors will open, synchronicities will happen, and you'll begin to understand how this process of creation works. This is not magic. It is the science of the mind. Our brains are designed to create our reality, but we need to consciously guide them in the right direction. And by doing this before you sleep, you're tapping into the most powerful tool available to you, the power of your mind. Take a deep breath, and let go of any doubts or resistance you may have. Trust the process. You are capable of creating a new reality tonight, and every night that you practice this, you're one step closer to making that reality a permanent part of your life. Now, as we near the end of this practice, let's reflect on the immense power you hold. Your thoughts are not just fleeting ideas, they are the blueprint for everything you experience. The reality you live today is the result of the thoughts and beliefs you held in the past. But the exciting news is that you can create a completely new reality, starting right now. As you prepare to fall asleep tonight, note that this is your opportunity to consciously direct your mind toward your new goals, desires, and dreams. You are in control, and the future you want to create is within your grasp. Take a deep breath and feel the excitement that comes with knowing that you have the ability to create your future, right now. The thoughts you think tonight will begin to shape your tomorrow. You may not see immediate results, but with patience and consistency, you will witness the power of your subconscious mind at work. Don't let doubt or impatience interfere with the process. The more you commit to this practice, the quicker your reality will begin to shift. Stay patient with yourself. Trust the process. It's important to note that change is happening even when it's not immediately visible. The universe works in mysterious ways, and often, the first signs of change are subtle. But these small signs will lead to bigger shifts in the future. As you continue this nightly practice, start to notice how your life begins to unfold. You might begin to feel more confident, more aligned with your goals, or even experience unexpected breakthroughs. These are the signs that your new reality is starting to materialize. When you choose to believe in the power of your thoughts, you shift from being a passive participant in your life to an active creator. You are not a victim of circumstance, you are the one steering the ship. And just like any other skill, the more you practice, the better you become at it. So continue to practice this every night. Let your mind be a powerful tool that works for you, not against you. As we conclude, I want to encourage you to keep going. Even if you don't see drastic changes right away, remember that this practice is building a solid foundation for your future. Keep planting those seeds, and soon, you will begin to witness their growth. Before we end, I'd like to ask you for a small favor. If you found value in this video and are ready to start creating the life you desire, please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Subscribing ensures you won't miss any future content that will continue to support your growth. If you're ready to take control of your destiny, like in this video and hit that notification bell, so you can stay connected with new ideas and powerful practices that will help you create your new reality. I also encourage you to share this video with someone who may benefit from it. You never know how a simple act of sharing can spark transformation in someone's life. Let's spread the message of empowerment and self-creation. Lastly, if you've already subscribed, I invite you to leave a comment below. Let me know how this practice is working for you, and what changes you've already started to see in your life. Your journey is important, and sharing your experiences can inspire others to take action too. Thank you for taking the time to listen to this powerful meditation. Trust in the process, believe in yourself, and know that everything you need is already within you. The reality you want is just waiting to be realized, and it begins tonight. Let this be your reality. Let the changes begin tonight.